Next feature is a newsletter feature. This feature is only for the directors, where they can go to the back end of the website and format the newsletters. So once you click on the newsletter, it's going to take you to the back end. This is called the back end. So if you want to create a newsletter, just click on create a new email, and then it'll take you to a page where you can start working on the newsletter. Let's put December newsletter, and then here you can pick which group you want to send the newsletter to. For example, if you want to send the newsletter to the whole school, then you can click on the whole school. Or if you want to send the letter to a specific classroom, you can pick either the preschool, pre-K, or kindergarten. Let's pick preschool for now and click on the next step. So here, when you click on the next step, it's going to take you to the actual page where you can format the newsletters. So the different options here are the content, images, styles, and themes. The content, where you can drag and drop all the widgets. For example, if you want to add a new footer or a new title or a new page with an image, things like that. And images is where you can actually add images to the formatting feature. If you click on images, it's gonna pop up a window where it asks you to get the files. So you can select the files either from the server or from your hard drive. For now, let's just get the images from the hard drive. So it's going to pull all the images or upload all the images to the formatting feature, and then once it's done, it's going to just stay idle. So here you can see that 2 images already uploaded, now the third one, and it's uploading the fourth one. So now it's done. So now it's idle, that means it's done. So these are the 4 images you can play with, right? And then different styles. So this is the style of the formatting of the newsletter, and this is the interesting feature which is called themes. So themes are the different themes that you can add to the newsletter. If you click on add more themes, you will see all the different templates that we have. So here are all the templates that you can use for your newsletter. For example, let's pick this theme or one of these theme here. If you click on download button, it's going to download. Once it's finished downloading, you can close it here. It's going to show up here. So you can actually pick one of these if you want. So let's pick this. Click on that. If you click on that, it's going to open up this and just say OK. Once you click OK, it's going to update the existing newsletter template to the one that you selected. There you go. This is it. So now you can actually play with this, right? So for example, let's go to the images, and if you want, you can use like a footer or something like that. Let's add a footer to our newsletter template. Let's see if we have a footer somewhere. Let's drag and drop. Let's pick some school, let's say Play and Learn, and get the footer. So once it uploads, it's gonna stay idle. Just wait for that. It's done. So this is a footer. Let's put our logo in here. So this is the title of the school. And then if you want to change the images, just click on the images, just drag and drop. Just drag and drop here, that's it. So you can see that you can easily drag and drop pictures in here. And see, if you want to add text to it, copy this text and paste it there. So all you have to do is just select this text here or delete the text and put it there. Now if you just click on here, it's gonna format automatically. You can see that, right? So this is a very cool feature, and you can add as many pictures as you want or as many things as you want. You can see here, right? You can just put that picture there, and if you want to add text here, you can still add some more text in here without any problem, right? And if you want to add more pictures, say if you want to add this picture here, you can just add in here as a title. So here you can put like a December newsletter or something like that. Alright, or if you want to add more text, you can also add more text in here. If you want to remove some of the text, you can remove some of the text in there, and it's going to automatically format it. So this is how a typical newsletter will look like. And wait, it's not done yet. You have one more feature called styles. So this is a very interesting feature where you can change the background of the newsletter. For example, right now it's dark gray. If you want to change it to purple, you can change it. If you want to change it to green, you can always change it. And same thing with the newsletter. If you want to change the newsletter color, say to the purple, you can always change it. Or if you want to have like green, you can change that. And same thing with the footer, with the header background or any font. Very easy formatting system, and within one click, right? And then once you're done, it's up to you if you want to send a preview to yourself, or you can click on the next step. When you click on the next step, it's going to take to a page where you're going to select which classrooms you want to send the newsletter to. Here you can click multiple classrooms or multiple schools or single classroom, and then here you have an option to schedule it. And this is a very interesting feature too. If you click on scheduling it, no matter when you have finished working on the newsletter formatting, it's gonna send the newsletter at that date and at that time. Say for example, if we have time right now, you can work on the newsletter now, but you can schedule it for that particular day, for example Friday at 5 p.m. and before that day you can always come back to the newsletter, work on it, finish it up, and then send it. And once you schedule it, it's going to schedule it. So once you click on the send, it's going to send the newsletter to all the emails that you have selected here, and then it brings to a page like this where you have to click on don't wait and send right now, so that it's going to send the newsletter right away to all the emails on that list right there. So here it shows it successfully sent to a bunch of folks in here. So once it's done, you can just close that. And then if you want to see how the email format is, you can go to the particular email, and you can see there is an email from Play and Learn Preschool, and it says copy of December newsletter. So let's click on that. Here is a newsletter. You can see it's the exact format that we have sent in, right? And if you want to unsubscribe, you can just click on unsubscribe, and it's going to send an email to the admin, and you'll be removed from that.